Hi everyone, welcome back to Fig&Bleu. My name is Sam and today I have a new video for you guys. So I have had a lot of requests to do a brunch style board and I thought now with New Year's coming up, this would be the best time to show you guys. So this brunch style board will be perfect for New Year's Day. When you don't want to cook because you stayed up too late, you can kind of just throw this together the day before. Maybe do a couple little heated up things or a little bit of slicing and then you're good to go. I don't typically make brunch style boards for my clients unless they request it. And there are so many different ways to do it. You could do a sweet brunch board, you could do sweet and savory, you could do a bagel style for brunch board. Like I said, there are so many options here and I'm just gonna show you one that would be really easy to make so you don't really have to cook anything, but it's also gonna be pleasing to the sweet and the savory palate. I'm gonna first show you the ingredients that we're gonna be using today. And I have red and green grapes. And like I said, I'm keeping this easy so you could totally make your own eggs if you want to. But I picked up a quiche. This is a spinach and artichoke quiche. So all you have to do is heat this in the oven for 30 minutes. I have my oven now set to 375 and then we'll put this in. Just follow the instructions, super easy. The next item are bagels. We have everything seasoned bagels, super delicious. And then to go with that, we have some smoked salmon, some capers, a red onion, dill. We also have cream cheese that we're gonna be using. I'm using the Philadelphia whipped. You could also go with whatever flavor you would like, but like I said, I'm gonna do a savory bagel. So, this. Then for the sweet side, we have these little pre-packaged bear paws. They're just little croissants with frosting and almonds. I have some yogurt. We just are gonna be using the Fage yogurt. Then we have fruits. So I have the Sweetest Batch from Driscoll's. This is blackberries. We have some organic raspberries. And then we also have a Sweetest Batch blueberry, which is my favorite blueberry to add to boards. And then we also have an orange. Okay, so that is everything we're going to be putting on our board. So let's get started. All right, as you guys can see, I brought out my trusty Hobby Lobby platter. It's the biggest one I own, so I thought it would be perfect for my brunch board. In these two ramekins, I already have prepped. This one here is the whipped cream cheese for the bagels. And then this one, it's just a plain yogurt with some cinnamon and berries. And then these are already set on here because you guys know the drill. My camera does not focus. So, like I said, the quiche is in the oven. It's cooking for 28 minutes at 375. It is store-bought, but you can totally make your own, or you could do scrambled eggs, anything like that. I just wanted to make this super simple for you guys if you didn't want to cook anything. All right, so I've gone ahead and prepped some of my ingredients. As you can see, I've sliced the oranges in half. We have capers in a little ramekin. I have thinly sliced red onion and some dill. And then on my cutting board, I've gone ahead, these were pre-sliced, but I just went through to make sure that they were completely separated. And then I have the smoked salmon right there. And then for the grapes, I've gone ahead and just sectioned them into little bunches because it makes it easier. a brunch style board for New Year's Day. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please tag me if you guys make a brunch board for New Year's or just any time in general, I guess. If you make one, tag me on Instagram. I'll put my handle here. I would love to see them. All right, and as always, thank you guys for the support and cheers to the new year. To enjoy my beautiful bite.